guys, today we are making rainbow. For rainbow you need a paper plate, markers, cotton ball, glue and pencil and the scissors. So first, we need to fold the paper plate in a half. Then we need to cut the paper plate. Now we need to draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now we need to color red in the first line. Next we need to color orange. Third line we need to color yellow. Fourth line we need to color green. Fifth line we need to color blue. In the last we need to color purple. We need cotton ball for clouds. So first we need to put glue on the rainbow. One, two, and 3. Clouds here. The other side you can put Here we go, our rainbow is ready now.